Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on POCO F5 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Right here in the top search, enter Microsoft Edge. Install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open this browser. Right here we can begin the setup. So there's a little introduction that you can read through to learn all of the features for this browser. I'm gonna skip it though. Customize your homepage with your wallpaper, most visited sites, and a newsfeed. Sign in to turn on synchronization between other Microsoft Edge browsers and devices. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. Accept or disagree with the data sharing and click on confirm. Lastly, let's open any website to see if the browser works fine. And as you can see, it works great. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.